Hi, and welcome to Miss Matthews' Littlest classroom. Today we're going to learn how to open a combination lock in this quick tutorial. Step 1. Let's reset it. Always start by turning the dial clockwise or to the right a few times. This ensures that the lock is cleared and ready for the combination. Step 2. Continue turning it to the right until you reach the first number of your combination. For example, if your first number is 12, turn it clockwise to the number 12. Step 3. Return to the first number. We're going to rotate the dial counterclockwise or to the left. Now here's the hack. We're going to return to our first number again. For this lock, it's the 12th. Step 4. We're going to continue to the left and now go to our second number. For this lock, it's the number 59. Step 5. Turn to the third number. We're going to switch directions again and rotate the dial clockwise to the right, directly to the third number. Step 6. Open the lock. Now here's the moment of truth. Gently pull down on the lock. If you follow the steps correctly, it should pop right open. Don't worry if you didn't get it the first try. Watch the tutorial again and pause after each step. Try it yourself, then continue with the next step. You'll get the hang of it in no time. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe. As always, make good choices.